The Philippines' ultimate holy grail lip stain just got a massive upgrade. With over 5 million units sold worldwide, the Happy Skin Lip Mallow Plush Matte Lip Tint has officially relaunched with a brand new, sturdier, and completely leak-proof double-walled tube. If you love the weightless, pillowy, and long-lasting formula packed with hyaluronic acid, Squalane, and SPF 15, you're going to obsess over the new packaging and the 5 gorgeous new neutral shades they just added to the lineup. In this video, we're doing live lip and hand swatches of all 5 new shades: Taffy, Mochi, Fluff, Shortbread, and Skinny Dipping, and breaking down which skin tones they look best on. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more local beauty reviews. Drop your favorite shade in the comments below. First up is Taffy, a sweet, playful pink that adds an instant brightness to the face. Highly recommended for fair to medium skin tones with cool or neutral undertones. Next is Mochi, a stunning, soft, cool-toned pink. Ideal for fair skin tones, Chinita or Mestiza looking for that effortless, youthful doll-like flush. Then we have Fluff. True to its name, it's a beautiful, light, airy, peachy beige nude. Perfect for all skin tones, but looks incredibly vibrant and fresh on warm Mestiza and medium skin tones. Moving on to Shortbread, a holy grail daily neutral. A muted, dusty brown nude that looks incredibly flattering on Filipina Morena skin tones. It's an instant favorite for me. Last but definitely not the least, Skinny Dipping. This is the deepest shade of the bunch, a stunning peach nude that beautifully complements warm and medium skin tones for that effortless, everyday look. It's bold but still completely wearable for daytime.